Alright, today we have the brake components for the 1969 Mustang. We're going to clean and paint these today. Do the calipers and the splash guards. I'm spraying everything here with degreaser. I'm going to let this soak overnight. The splash shields have grease on them, so they need it most. Okay, these are all clean and dry. I took a wire brush and went over them real quick. They look pretty good. Then I taped up the piston and the boot so they don't get damaged. Here's the splash shields. The top one looks excellent. The bottom one looks a little rough. See how it looks after blasting it. Okay, this is my blast cabinet. I got this from Harbor Freight. I got it in the clearance section. I had a big dent on the top and on the bottom. I think with a coupon I got this for around $75. I built this base from some wood I had laying around. Okay, I'm going to start blasting now. I'll see if I can get a little bit of video of this also. I'll probably start with the calipers first. Calipers turned out real nice. So did one splash shield. That second splash shield on the left, it's in really bad shape. I might end up having to replace that one. I actually stopped blasting it when I seen how bad it was. I'm going to clean these off now and prime and paint them next. Okay, these came out excellent. I like the way these really turned out. The calipers look excellent. This is a satin black paint. Here's a close-up. This splash shield also came out really nice, but this second one, you can see how bad it is. It's rotted. I'm probably going to order a new one. It's just a real bad shape. Here's the second caliper. I really like how this turned out. This is going to look really good on the Mustang. So this is the primer I use, a high heat primer, and then a high heat satin black paint. I put 2 coats of each one. Overall, this was not hard to do. Took me about a day. you can see it was well worth the time that I put into this. I really like the way these came out. Hopefully the next time you see these will be installed on the Mustang. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.